Logan, I want to work out, but how do I know when to train? Girl, I got you. Today, I'm going to explain to you what a workout split is and why do you need it. So, you may be asking, what the heck is a workout split? Basically, a workout split is how you divide your days of training into your muscle groups. Your body has certain muscle groups that work together when you're training certain parts of your body, like your back and biceps. When you're training your back and biceps, you're doing a lot of pulling motions. Those would be the two muscle groups that you want to pair together since you're using a pulling motion to train both. So what I mean by this is the pull motion is going to put tension on your back and bicep muscles to strengthen them. Therefore, if you work these muscles on the same day, it's kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. You're getting to work both groups of muscles for one session. And who doesn't like a daggone bargain? Am I right? Now, you know what a workout split is, but why do we need it, Logan? Why do we need a workout split? I don't understand. Look, I don't know about you, but I get bored easily. So I sure as heck don't want to be spending 2 hours in the gym working every part of my body. Instead, if we use our workout split and schedule our workout days into certain groups of muscles, you can be in and out in about 45 minutes instead of having to be there 2 hours, which is what I like to do. I love the gym, don't get me wrong, but I'm not trying to spend all day there. Plus, if you set aside certain days to focus on a certain region of muscles or group of muscles, it is a surefire way you're going to grow them babies. I mean, think about it. If you're going to use all your energy in a workout, you're going to want to put all that energy into growing a specific group of muscles. You get what I'm saying? I hope you're starting to understand why a workout split is so important. So, you might as well spend your energy on building those triceps in your chest, or maybe doing your back and biceps. You may as well just put all that energy into that certain muscle group instead of trying to give it to every area of your body. So now I've explained what a workout split is. Now you gotta know how to make your own workout split, right? Let's get into that. As I told you before, your biceps and back is worked by a pulling motion. So you're gonna wanna group those two together. Now think about when you work your triceps and your chest. What do? You're doing a pushing motion. If you're doing a chest press, you're pushing the barbell up. So pairing a pushing motion together, like for your triceps and chest, is going to be how you want to group them. Next, your chest, shoulders, and your triceps can all be interchangeable. So if you want to work your chest and your shoulders one day, you can do that. If you want to work your chest and triceps one day, you can do that. The main goal here is you're going to want to keep your chest, triceps, and shoulders grouped together, and your back and biceps grouped together. Then you have time for other days where you're solely focusing on the legs. You've basically got 3 big groups of muscles. You've got your biceps and your back, you've got your chest, triceps and shoulders, and then your legs. So let me be clear, that is just how you want to group them. The great thing about working out and a workout split is you can choose what days you want to train them. Lastly, I'm going to tell you how I break my split down and schedule my workouts. So I basically take the groups that I was telling you about before and I just split them up into different days. On Mondays, I do chest and triceps. On Tuesdays, I do my back and biceps. Wednesday, I like to break it up. I personally have more than one leg day, so I split my leg day up into different parts of the leg, but you don't have to worry about that right now. I just do Wednesday for my legs. Thursdays, I do a full body and HIIT workout, or maybe a little bit of cardio that day, whatever I'm feeling. And Friday, I will do my shoulders and hip, whichever one I'm feeling. If I want to do triceps with it, I'll do that. If I want to do chest with my shoulders, I'll do that. And lastly, on Saturdays, I'll do legs if I'm feeling it. Depends on if I want to work out that day. So that is my workout split. You can follow it if you want. You can switch up the days around. It's all up to you. That's the great thing about working out, is you get to pick how you train and when you train it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and if you want any more tips, let me know and I would be glad to share them with you. I'm gonna go, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, you guys. Bye.